Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's see how we can work with number functions in Power Query Power BI. So this is a new topic, working with number functions. So we'll start with add, multiply, divide, and subtract in number functions within Power BI. So let me just take you to Power BI. So here we'll get data. Then I will choose number functions. I'll choose one, that's table 1. We'll click transform. Now from here, now we have product, we have selling price, we have discount, quantity, cost price, and then we also have cost price, quantity, discount, selling price, and product. So let's say you want to know the net price after discount. So we'll multiply the selling price times the discount, and then we'll net of the discount from the selling price so that we can have the net selling price. Then again, now we can multiply by the number of, rather the quantity, and then from there now we can again multiply cost price times quantity. Then we can subtract from the from total sales, then we'll get the profit. So you want to see how we can use the basic functions like add, multiply, subtract, and divide in Power Query. So first you want to get the selling price, rather the net selling price, taking into consideration that we have 10% discount. So let's select the selling price and discount. Then I will choose add column. Then I will go to now number functions. Then I will choose this icon for standard. So again I will take multiply. And this multiply is giving me the discount, but I want the net selling price instead of getting the discount, because we know the discount is 10%. So I will come here to this formula bar and change the formula. So I will click here, expand this formula bar. Then I will come here, selling price times 1 minus discounts. So within the brackets of discount, I will click inside here just before the, and I'll write 1 minus discount. So then I will click enter. Then you can see we have an error. So let me remove one from the inside those brackets. We need to put it outside. So what I will do here, we write a bracket into 1 minus discount. Then I will put another bracket here. Then enter. So now we don't have an error. So we have the correct net selling price. The initial selling price was 1400, but we gave a 10% discount. So now we have 1260. Then from here now we can change this one to net the net selling price. Let me just call it net SP. Then from the net selling price, now we can multiply the net selling price with the quantity, and then we can also multiply cost price with the quantity. Then from there we can get the profit after rather the gross profit after netting off the cost price. So first what we'll do, we'll instead we'll multiply the selling price, or rather we'll subtract the cost price from the selling price, then we'll the result will multiply by the quantity to get the total gross profit. So we'll first select this net selling price both with the cost price. Then we'll go to, again we'll click standard, then we'll write subtract. So now this is our GP, or gross profit per product. And then now to get the total gross profit for all the quantity, will come here again. Rather we'll pick this column for GP per product, then we'll multiply by total quantity. So we'll select two columns again. We'll select the column for GP per product with the column for quantity. Then we'll come here and click standard and multiply. So this is the total net profit for all the products in terms of their groupings. The same principle will apply when you want to use add or divide. So let's say maybe you want to, let's assume that now this is our total net profit, but if you want to know the profit per product. Let's assume we don't have this. So we want to know the GP per product. So again, we'll click on this. Let me call this one first. Let me rename this one to be total GP. So we'll pick total GP, and then we'll come here to standard, then we'll say divide. Whether we need to pick two columns, not let me just cancel this one first. I will pick these two columns, then again I will go to standard, then I will divide. So again now we are coming back to GP per product, because we had the total GP for all the products. So when you want to, maybe let's say you want to divide this one by 2, maybe 50% of this, you'll just come here, click this one, then click standard, then you click divide, and then you'll write down here 2. So now we are dividing by 2. So that's how to work with the basic division, addition, subtraction, and multiplications. They follow the same principle, but we'll just come here to standard. Then you will pick this first four, the first four functions to use. So thanks a lot, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you understood, and please let's meet again on the next video.